Hi, everyone. So I'm going to talk about the 3 sounds of ED. I'm going to give you the answers to the previous activity. Do not watch this until you do the homework, please, until you do the activity. But you can check your answers here and listen and repeat practicing with me. In fact, I want you to listen and repeat. Okay. Number 1, walked, 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 walked. If you have a sentence like, I walked to the store, you might not hear the T. I walked to the store. We combine it, walked to the store. But from the context, we can tell that it's in the past. Walked, walked. Number 2, smelled, 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 smelled. Number 3, visited, 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 visited. When we have a T or a D between 2 vowels, it sounds like the R in Spanish. It sounds like a single R in Spanish. So we don't say visited, we say visited, visited, visited. Also note, my lips are not closed. This is not visited, visited, visited. When we have the V, as in vaca, my top teeth and my bottom lip come together. Visited, visited, visited. Obviously, I'm doing it a lot more than normal, but visited, not visited, visited. Claimed, number 4, claimed, 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 claimed. Now, what does the word claim mean? It has a couple different meanings. You can pause the video here and read the different definitions. I'm not going to read them. Number 5, talked, 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 talked. I talked a lot. Talked, talked. Number 6, ended, 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 ended. Number 7, cleared, 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 cleared. Now, what does clear mean as a verb? We can say like, is that clear? But there it's not a verb. When we have it as an action, it can mean these things. I will let you pause and read it by yourself. Clear. But for example, a busser at a restaurant clears the table. So the busser takes all of the dirty dishes off the table, clears the table so that it's empty. Cleared, cleared. Number 8, this is a difficult word to pronounce. You cannot trust any of the letters here. Laughed, 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 laughed. I laughed a lot. Laughed. Sorry about this word. It's hard. Laughed. Number 9, breaded, breaded, breaded. So this is some breaded chicken. Breaded, breaded. Empanado? Breaded. breaded, did, breaded, breaded. Number 10, begged, begged. This is kind of a weird sound. Begged, 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 and it means please, 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 please. Begged, 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 begged. Number 11, reached, 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 reached. It's very strange, I know. Reached, reached, reached. What does reach mean? So it can be like, oh, I'm trying to reach. I'm trying to reach. But it also can mean some other things. It can mean to contact someone, like, hey, I'm trying to reach this person. It means I'm trying to contact this person, like on the phone. I'm trying to reach this person. If you are talking, you can also say arrive at a destination, like if you're on the metro, we have reached Columbia Heights metro station. Reached is arrive at. If you're talking about the temperature, you could say the temperature is expected to reach 100 degrees today. Or you can talk about it with age. Yeah, my grandma reached the age of 100. She reached that age. And we kind of use it like, you know, it's not easy to be 100. It takes some effort. Reach 100. So you can pause the video and read these definitions and examples too. Number 12, started, started, started. And again, we have this d in the middle. It's not started, 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 started. Number 13, rolled, 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 rolled. So here, this person is rolling in a tire. They are rolling this person. Or, I don't have a piece of paper next to me. You can roll something up. You can roll it into a circle or, yeah, rolled. Number 14, kissed, 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 kissed. And number 15, loved, loved, same V, loved. You can see my teeth when I say the V. Loved, 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 loved. Can you think of other examples for these three sounds of ed, t, d, and id? I'm sure you can. But I hope that this exercise helps you distinguish when you should say which sound, t, d, or id. And you can also use this when you find a new word. Maybe you don't even know what it means, but you can still pronounce it correctly. So in the comments on the discussion post, please let me know what you think. And if you have any questions about this video or the video that we watched, before the exercise. Okay?